our ministry have actually made an announcement that indeed that we could possibly receive these vaccinations by, I think as you mentioned, by the end of January. People have actually realized that there is a need to do something. Yes, we have been doing a lot of things. We've been doing the social behavior recommendations, wearing a mask, distancing, and all these things. People have actually realized that that alone is not enough to stop COVID. And they have actually brought in an additional measure which actually gives us a possible wonderful opportunity to finally control COVID, and most probably also, if everything is actually going well, to get rid of COVID within the next 2 years, if everything is done. And that is actually being done through immunization. And that's where Namibia, and that's where the bodies, the world body, WHO, and various bodies have actually come together, but obviously also the regional SADC countries have actually organized themselves in a body which is actually there to try to acquire this vaccine. Unfortunately, everyone is actually trying to get this vaccine, so the competition to put their hands on that is actually very, very big. So yes, we did make a statement that we are trying to get this vaccine by the end of last month, but unfortunately we haven't made that deadline. And we are not alone, because there are many countries which have actually been trying to get that vaccine, but because it's become a hot potato, everyone tries to get it, the competition is very high. And the issue is actually about the availability of the vaccines. You have recently heard that, for instance, AstraZeneca, one of these producing companies, have actually made somewhere there was an agreement between them and the European countries to give over 500 million vaccines. And they clearly said they don't have the capacity, they are not going to be able to make that date. Okay. And that's the same thing actually applies to Namibia. The dates which were set by our Ministry of End is unfortunately not there. Yeah. And you also remember that someone from WHO have also mentioned that it might actually be middle March. Okay. But we are trying to get it as soon as possible so that we can, because realizing that this is our chance of actually finally controlling this condition.